Most people get these geography questions wrong. Can you answer all 5? First quiz. Which country has the longest coastline? What's your guess? Got it right? The answer's locked in. We'll see how you did in just a moment. What sea has completely dried up since 1960? Ready for the next challenge? What is the world's newest born country? Comment A, B, C, or D. Don't call yourself a genius just yet. The next 2 questions are much harder. But before that, let's check your score so far. In the first quiz, we asked, which country has the longest coastline? The answer is Canada. Canada boasts the world's longest coastline at a staggering 243,042 kilometers. Bordering 3 oceans, the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic, its secret lies in its jagged edges and over 36,000 islands. To put that in perspective, Canada's shoreline is long enough to wrap around the Earth's equator 6 whole times. In the second quiz, we asked, what sea has completely dried up since 1960? The answer is Aral Sea. The Aral Sea was once the world's 4th largest lake, but starting in the 1960s, a massive Soviet irrigation project siphoned off its 2 main feeding rivers to grow cotton in the desert. Deprived of water, it shrank by over 90%, leaving behind ghost ships permanently stranded in a toxic salt desert. The third quiz was, what is the world's newest born country? The answer is South Sudan. South Sudan officially became the world's youngest sovereign country on July 9, 2011. After decades of intense civil conflict, a historic referendum was held where an astonishing 99% of southern voters chose to separate from Sudan. This monumental vote instantly made it Africa's 54th independent nation. What's your score so far? These final 2 questions are the hardest in today's quiz. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button. Fourth quiz. Which desert is the driest on Earth? Comment A, B, C, or D. Final question coming up. What island is split between 3 nations? Now the answer time. In the fourth quiz, we asked, which desert is the driest on Earth? The answer is Atacama Desert. Squeezed between the Andes Mountains and the Pacific coast, Chile's Atacama Desert is trapped in a double rain shadow that blocks all moisture, receiving less than 1 millimeter of rain a year on average. It's the driest non-polar place on Earth, making parts of it completely devoid of any plant or animal life. In fact, it is so closely identical to Mars that NASA uses it to test their space rovers. In the 5th and final quiz, we asked, what island is split between 3 nations? The answer is Borneo. Borneo is uniquely divided among 3 separate countries. Indonesia controls the largest slice, roughly 73% of the island. Malaysia holds about 26% along the northern coast. Finally, the tiny oil-rich nation of Brunei takes up just 1%, completely surrounded by Malaysian territory. 1 island, 3 completely different countries. How many did you get right out of 5? Comment your final score below. And don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Mania for more mind-bending challenges like this one. See you in the next video.